BX25, 2,700 hours on it. The shutoff for the air is operated by a solenoid that operates on this gizmo here, and it's supposed to pull that back and forth. Can't see what I'm doing. There we go. Okay. Yeah, it fits in there. It's supposed to pull that back and forth. It feels a little stiff. And there is a stop down there. An adjustment, I guess, too. Just a minute. Here we go. Seems to be a stop here. And that, okay, that should pull like that. Seems a little stiff. But anyway, it quit working for me. And what I did is I pulled this out, took the two rubber boots off, and you can see they're in bad shape. But the solenoid still works electronically, or electrically. So it plunges in and out. And what I did is I sprayed a little brake clean in there and immediately blew it out with compressed air, and it slides in and out nice and smooth again. Before it was sticking. So that would add to the resistance. Now I got to try and figure out how to reattach these boots because they have some kind of gum on here that's supposed to hold the rubber, so I'm not exactly sure what to use. And we'll put her back in and see if that works. But I also realized because it was sticking, it was also keeping the air valve or whatever that is down there closed, and so it didn't start with a hoot. And because when I went to shut it off, I pushed on this, and of course you want to make sure you don't hit the fan, which I did with my glove slightly. Luckily it deflects me rather than pulls, so I got lucky there. Anyway, if that helps somebody, I hope so. These are like, I don't know, maybe $120 from the dealer just for that silly little thing. So it could be part of the maintenance, and I think it should be. I mean, there's a lot of dust and dirt down here, and when those boots go, I mean, what's going to protect it? And I'd like to get new boots for it, but well, this one here will be okay, I guess, but that one there is toasty around here. So if anybody's got any idea what I can use for a rubber boot over that end to help keep the dust out, it would be appreciated. This is a Kubota BX25 from 2010. It's got about 2,700 hours on it, and the stop solenoid quit working. And it's located down here, mounts on those two brackets, bolts there, and it operates this lever down here from that point. And what it does is it closes the air from getting into the engine, as far as I know. Anybody can correct me if I'm wrong. But anyhow, it quit working, and what I realized is this plunger was sticky. So electrically, it's still working. When you apply power to it, it still pulls. So what I did is I sprayed some brake clean in both, well, in this end, I guess. And then I got the air compressor hose and blew that out immediately, and all kinds of goop come out. And as you can tell, that seems to be moving a lot smoother now. Got all the dust out of it. A lot of dust out of it. So that's something that should be part of regular maintenance, I think. And also, how do I fix a cat that has an eating problem? She eats and then she wants to eat right away, or she barfs up, or I don't know. We haven't figured it out. We've had her to the doctor. Anyway, that's a different cat problem. Oh no, this isn't a cat, it's a Kubota. Okay, as you can see, fuse is in. They blew the fuse. And then you should wait a moment. and it kicks out. So it's working again. Yay! Saved me 120 bucks. So maintenance is definitely worth it on this little critter. And the fuses were impacted with a lot of dirt. So pull them all out, and I used a brass brush to clean all the terminals off because they were just filthy and slightly corroded. So you might want to do that as preventative maintenance too. Not just checking the oil, people.